Okay class, today we are going to write 21 pages of essay about the Civil War. Caillou, was that you just burped?
No. Okay, I burped.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now. So Caillou, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Caillou, how dare you burp in class and now at me? You know that is disgusting. You are hereby suspended for 24 days. Go home now. Scram.
Caillou, how dare you burp in class, in front of the principal. Caillou, how dare you burp at me now? That's it. You are grounded for 32 weeks. Now go upstairs to your room now. Wow.